Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. Sai will never leave you empty. He will replace everything you lost. If he asks you to put something down, it's because he wants you to pick up something greater. Sai says, I promise you, when you need me the most, you will feel my strong presence. So, fear not, I am always there for you. In today's video, we'll go through the story of cholera epidemic. Once, cholera was raging virulently in Shirdi. The residents were much frightened and they stopped all communication with the outside people. The Panch of the village assembled together and decided upon two ordinances as a remedy to check and put down the epidemic. They were: no fuel cart should be allowed to come into the village and no goat should be killed there. If anybody disobeyed these ordinances, they were to be fined by the village authorities and Panch. Baba knew that all this was mere superstitious and therefore he cared a damn for the cholera ordinance. While the ordinance were in force, a fuel cart came there and wanted to enter the village. Everybody knew that there was dearth or scarcity of fuel in the village. Still the people began to drive away the fuel cart. Baba came to know of this. He came to the spot and asked the cartmen to take the fuel cart to the masjid. None dared to raise his voice against this action of Baba. He wanted fuel for his dhoni and so he purchased it. Like an Agnihotri, keeping his sacred fire alive throughout his life, Baba kept his dhoni ever burning, all day and night, and for this he always stocked the fuel. Baba's home, that is the masjid, was free and open to all. It had no lock and key, and some poor people removed some wood from there for their use. Baba did not grumble about this. Baba saw that the whole universe was pervaded by the Almighty, and so he never bore enmity or ill will to anybody. Though perfectly detached, he behaved like an ordinary householder to set an example to the people. Bow to Sri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.